You may want to use Lovable or V0 to create an app. But if I tell you today that there is a way, an insane way to not use Lovable, nor V0, nor Reply, nor any tool, and just use your already existing Claude subscription and a crazy website named Netlify Drop to create and publish, okay, I make a mistake, up Netlify Drop to create and publish a project really fast for example, a small app where you showcase your like here, your little link tree. So I will show you, for example, how to create a link tree with modern technology using this tool and not Lovable, not V0. And using Claude will enable you to create a link tree like kind of for free, because for $20 a month, you already have Claude Chat. That is for me the best IA agent that you can talk with, and you will have access to this Claude. So I will explain you now how to do it. The first step is to download Claude for desktop. You will write Claude for desktop, and here you can find download Claude to your desktop and click on macOS just here. Claude is just an excellent app that can replace easily ChatGPT. For example, with this shortcut really crazy, like you write double option, select any text and say, what is this brand? And you just have the chat that will run instantly on the app with the screenshot you just add inside the context. So it's really interesting and it's really a good app in general. But when you install it like this, you will be able to switch from chat to code. That is the new tab. And when you click code, maybe by default, I don't really know, you will have a different UI. I will try to show it. Okay, by default, you will have this. And here we will be able to create a new project with Claude Code capabilities, but without any idea or anything. So here we will first go in the Finder. And in the Finder, I have a folder named developer just here. And you can create, for example, a folder named Claude just here. And inside the new folder with right click and just make Melvin link tree like this. So here we will be able to go in the Claude, click on select folder, open. And here we will choose the project we just created. So this folder, it's an empty folder, but here you will be able to ask any question or create any project. So I will pass this beginning prompt. So build a responsive link in bio page using React and Tailwind CSS. So if you don't know what is, this is just keyword that will help Claude to set up a right project. So here, light mode, blah, 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 blah. And you can add in the beginning, please first check that any CLI tool that we need in order to do that is available on my computer. So in the case you just download for the first time and it's your first project, he will take care of everything. Second thing we will do just here is to say the goal of this project will be to be published on Netlify. So here I can just copy this link and you will understand the requirements. Please, when you finish, explain me how I can do it. So as you can see with just this basic prompt with the beginning information and the next information that explain what I want, we will create this project. So here I will launch the agent like this, and I propose you to make a break on this video. I just can tell you that by default there is no option. So there is just this kind of stuff that is a little bit annoying, is that he will ask you question like this. And here I propose you to always check always allow for projects, because so more and more you will allow the agent to do it, less and less he will ask you to do stuff. So first thing, he check that you have everything installed. When it's done, he will start to do the job. So just here we can see that he already starts and you have nothing to do. We will come back when it's finished. So it's finished, and you can see that it just finished everything and give you actually even the step to publish it. But I ask him first to show me the actual results of the app so I can maybe change something, ask some better thing. And you can see that he ran a lot of comments and it just launched my app, as you can see just here. So this is the version it just code. So obviously we can ask for any change. For example, I can ask, I really like the app, but the button is not enough modern and I don't like the divider. It's too big and the description can be a little bit bigger and it's missing a footer name that it's me in 2026. So here you are able to ask obviously any change to make the app look perfect for what you actually need. So it's really depend on your need. But here we can create a mini SaaS, a mini product, an automation tool, thing that connect to Supabase, to anything. You have Claude just here. It's a powerful tool and you can basically do anything you want. Just ask, just be curious. So here I will just let him do this and after we will see how we can deploy it. So it just finished. I refresh. Now we have a small different UI. We will say that it's what I want. I don't really want anything because I already have a website. But anyway, we will come to now the folder. So we can ask Claude, please make the app ready and open the folder I should drag and drop, basically like this. And we will be ready on Netlify just here. For information, if you are not logged in, please be sure to log in. It will be easier for the next step. And if you want to log in, you can basically just go in the link app.netlify.org or just netlify.com and write login or sign up. So you will be signed up in your browser. That will make the next step a little bit easier. So here you can see that he opened this folder. So the folder is most of the time named dist, and dist is for distribution that contain assets, some file, index, and here a beautiful vit.svg logo. Anyway, we will take this folder dist, come to our browser to Netlify drop and drag and drop this dist folder inside the website. It will write uploading, so don't do anything. And here we have the website that is basically deployed. It's really crazy. So here I have phenomenal sprinkle. I can just click on the link and I have now my beautiful website. As you can see, this URL is accessible publicly, so anyone can actually check this website. I can maybe update some stuff. So for example, project name, I can write Melvin Portfolio, write save, and now it's a new domain name for my specific use case. If you want to go further, you can add a domain and you can buy a new domain. For example, melvanxwebsite.com. Maybe it's available and here you can buy it directly on Netlify or go in a cheaper website like Porkbun, where you can also buy it and instantly deploy it wherever you want. So this is really interesting too. And here we have web security, but it's not really interesting. Some web analytics that you can buy here. So I will not recommend it. I will recommend you to use a different tool to make the analytics because there is a lot of tools that exist that can be free. So why not? And here you can see that we have our website ready. And if you don't have a lot of traffic on your website, you don't really need to care that your website will be down. It's now ready for anyone. So that's it. If you want to go further, you can write mlv.shcc config English like this, and you will have the access of my full config that you can install in 10 seconds like this with my agent, my command, my statue line, my save script that you can download and use. So it's the first thing in the description. I really recommend you to check it out and we see you next time.